हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम लिखेंगे अल्फाबेट्स। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ब्लू कलर, ब्लू कलर। A for apple. Orange color, orange color. B for ball. Sky blue color, sky blue color. C for cat. Yellow color. D for dog. Pink color, pink color. E for elephant. Yellow color. F for fish. Green color, green color. G for grapes. Red color. H for horse. Black color, black color. I for ice cream. Yellow color, yellow color. J for juice. Red color, red color. K for kite. Orange color, orange color. L for lion. Green color. M for mouse. Brown color, brown color. N for nest. Pink color, pink color. O for owl. Orange color, orange color. P for penguin. Blue color, blue color. Q for queen. Blue color, blue color. R for rabbit. Pink color, pink color. S for snake. Blue color, blue color. T for tiger. Red color, red color. U for umbrella. green color, green color. V for van. Blue color, blue color. W for watch. Black color, black color. X for xylophone. Red color, red color. Y for yellow. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Z for zebra. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe.